Hi all, today I'm going to share the recipe to make Hara masala mutton phal. The meat here is tender, cooked with spicy gravy. So let's start. So to make the base of the gravy, I'm going to take around half bunch of coriander leaves. Also I'm going to add around 15 cloves of garlic, fresh peeled, and also going to add around 2.5 inches of ginger, peeled and cut. For spiciness, I am going to add around 5 green chilies. If you want it to be more spicy, you can add 6 green chilies. It depends on your taste. Also adding 1 medium sized onion which I have chopped roughly. Now the spices into this, I am going to add around half spoon of cumin seed, half spoon of fennel seed, half spoon of black pepper seed, 4 cloves and 2 cinnamon sticks. Adding fennel seed increases the flavor of this gravy. So I am going to grind all of this into a smooth paste in the mixer. Now let's start making. I am going to heat around 4 tablespoon oil in a pan, and when the oil is nicely heated, I am going to fry 1 medium sized onion which I have sliced thinly, and I am going to fry until it is transparent, so it doesn't need to change color and all. Just going to fry it for a few seconds. Now going to add around half spoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste. So here I am adding 1 spoon of salt. Now I'll go ahead and add in the mutton pieces. Now fry the pieces nicely for at least 1 minute until it changes the color. So the meat here is tender, mutton pieces which is in tender cut. So I'm going to fry it nicely. It's changed its color. It's been frying for 1 minute. The water is nicely evaporated. Kind of happy with the mutton, how it looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the spice masala, the gravy base. Now add it and fry it nicely on high flame. I'm going to go ahead and fry it nicely for at least 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. When the masala is cooked nicely, I'm going to check for spiciness and salt. If need arise, you can increase and add black pepper here and salt according to the taste. Now I'm going to add half cup of water for the mutton to cook. Give it a good and nice mix. And I'm going to go ahead and cover the pressure cooker lid and cook it for 2 whistles. It depends on the meat actually. If your meat is tender, 2 whistles is enough. If it is not, you will have to cook it for further more whistles until it is nicely cooked. So after 2 whistles, my meat is perfectly cooked. The gravy looks perfect. Now let's serve it out. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If yes, do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.